There's a whole host of functions in Sass that we can use to manipulate color values. So we'll look at a few of these here, but for a complete list of the color functions, check out this bit.ly here that I've created, which will take you to the full Sass documentation. So in this demonstration, we're going to see how we can style an entire website based off one single color value. So here we're setting a root color, and if we just hover over this and hit Control Space, we can see that this color is a kind of pale blue or sky blue. And we're just specifying another color here so we can demonstrate the mix function in a moment. So to start off, we're going to set the background color for the entire body. We're going to start with the root color here, and we're going to use the lighten function to create a lighter version of this root color. And here we're lightening this color by 45%. So this will create a lighter version of our root blue color. We're going to set a heading 1 here, and we're going to use the adjust hue function. So this function is based on the HSL color model, and here we're taking the root color again, and we're modifying it by 70 degrees, again using the HSL color model. For heading 2 here, we're using the mix function, which allows us to mix two colors together. So here we're mixing the root color with this another color, and that'll style our heading 2. Next, we've got our lead text class, and here we're using the saturate function, and this function takes a color and, as its name suggests, increases the saturation of that color. So here we're increasing the saturation of our root color by 50%. And finally, for the detail text here, we're using the darken function, which will darken our root color by 30%. So let's see this in action. And here we can see our web page styled off one root color. So we've got our pale blue background and the other elements styled based on our color functions. If we take a look at the generated CSS, we can see here that we've still got basic color values, so we're not doing anything special in the CSS, but these color values have been calculated by Sass based on the root color that we chose. So let's now go and restyle our entire website by changing one color. So here, we'll say instead of choosing this blue color, we'll try an orange. If we build this again, we can see that the color functions have done their thing, all based on the root color. And just for one more example, we'll choose a background color and run this again. And we can see again that the entire theme of our website has changed again just by changing one variable value.